In view of our Bitcoin money cost forecast, the cost of BCH will cross the $273 mark toward the finish of 2023. As indicated by our BCH cost expectation 2025, Bitcoin money's future is brilliant, and it could hit $458 toward the finish of 2025. Our Bitcoin money forecast 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $1,118. Right now, the cost of Bitcoin money is exchanging around $113, which is practically 4% up from the most recent 24 hours. Regardless of the blended patterns, Bitcoin money holds the possibility to go up and could hit $458 by 2025. In the event that you are searching for Bitcoin money expectations, our top-to-bottom examination means to respond to your inquiries like, is Bitcoin money a wise venture? How high will Bitcoin money go? Is Bitcoin money expected to rise? Before we start with itemized Bitcoin money cost conjecture, we should jump into the coin's outline. Bitcoin money, BCH, presentation. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage temporary fad to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and tremendous exchange charges. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the immense capability of Bitcoin could be additionally bridled ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. The essential target of Bitcoin money, BCH, was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and discussions encompassing versatility in the blockchain. Keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized computer and security as the critical purposes, this BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, consequently accomplishing a dramatically rapid of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic strategies that depend on zero revelation proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Subsequently, security deterrents are captured first. A striking quality of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. When BCH made its presence felt and unmistakable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to finance English pounds and numerous cryptographic forms of money like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of patching up to show greater deftness in rolling out revolutionary improvements to the undertaking's essentials. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000, and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are intricate instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital currency bob to a colossal level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing remedy cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430, with a market cap being $70 billion. In any case, since the mid-2018, the BCH cost confronted steady remedy, and toward the finish of 2018, it fell beneath $100. Then, till 2020, Bitcoin has figured out how to enlist a reach bound exchanging from $167 to $480. From that point onward, from the start of 2021, the cost of BCH coin has been soar and reached $1,549. Afterward, it confronted sharp fall and retested $100 once more. Since the last year, Bitcoin Money has figured out how to remain over the $96 mark, with major areas of strength for an around $150 till date. The ongoing cost activity reflects probability that the BCH coin cost could recuperate soon. To saddle the ideal potential, specialists overall and die-hard financial backers of Bitcoin Money forecast have exhorted adhering to this cash, chiefly for the reasons of future cost acceleration assumptions. As a matter of fact, it has consistently acquired and reliably performed, as said previously. Allow us to view the specialist's interpretation of Bitcoin Money expectation specialized examination, as indicated by the major investigation and cost conjecture. Regardless of its reception, the BCH coin will quite often confront heat till January 2023. Going by Bitcoin Money cost expectations that bulls might be back, the money ought to wind up around $117. Toward the finish of 2023. Bitcoin Money is anticipated to begin in walk 2023 at $131.614 and finish the month at $119.822. During spring, the greatest gauge BCH cost is $140.216 and the base cost is $95.347. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises. Breaking liberated from the customary method of activity, the group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta wire tipping bot TipMebSpit, which empowers message clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. There are hypotheses that the Bitcoin Money BCH cost will raise a ruckus around town cost of $379 toward the finish of 2025, considering the guides it has made. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin Money cost is the posterity of BTC. It is set to follow similar impressions in cost activity as well. Assuming the Bitcoin cost is going vertical, the BCH cost, as well, will profit from that in practically no time. Numerous specialists prompt that it is smarter to stop your assets in BTC till you earn the greatest, and afterward redirect it to Bitcoin Money cost for momentary additions. With the market being totally capricious, gauging the digital currency cost is truly all the more a bet in karma as opposed to an information-driven estimate. The last year was a distinct advantage for BCH as well as for the vast majority of the monetary standards, including digital currencies, along with fiat. World economies somersaulted radically considering the pandemic. The equivalent was the situation with Bitcoin Money. BCH cost expectation from that point forward has begun drifting towards idealism and cynicism. Dealers and financial backers have begun wagering on Bitcoin Money cost for the drawn-out expectations development following it intently. Consequently, normal cost